Last time on Leading Astray, we go shopping for a sailboat, we sell a powerboat, and I lose my job.
You're fired!
Hi there, look, it's been a while since we got a vlog out, a little bit different to what we normally do. It's a bit of a vlog telling you about some of the decisions that we've made recently and where we're up to with life and our journey. Starting off with the last day of my job, finish work, and we start on a long trip south looking for a sailboat to live in.
Dream up a world of pirates, climb the highest.
Good morning from Mackay. We're at the local marina here. We're about to have a second look at one of the vessels that we've shortlisted with our previous little road trip. We're about to head down to Brisbane over the weekend and have a look at a second vessel that we've shortlisted. And there's a third vessel that we're interested in, but it's all the way in Fiji, so the logistics on that are a little bit out of whack, aren't they?
We haven't quite worked out how we're going to get there and get it back.
Yeah, it's a really nice one. Like, it has a bathtub in the ensuite, so although I guess it's not a reason why you buy a boat.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive.
Not convinced with any of those yachts, we continued our long drive down to Brisbane, and we took the opportunity to drop in and see family along the way.
Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Okay, Google. Navigate to Manly Harbour. Hey, Tim, how you doing? Yeah, we're at the front gate of the Manly Harbour.
Anyway, I got the guy that was my Ferrari mechanic to rebuild this motor.
The yacht we looked at was absolutely gorgeous and the right price. Unfortunately though, we had our hearts set on something else, and that's what we were thinking about as we did the long drive home. Celebrating Lee's birthday, we were both truly excited as we thought this boat was the one. The Catalina Morgan 45, located in Fiji.
Nice and clean.
Yeah. Now it's time to sell off all of our stuff and also make a temporary enclosure for our cats, which was staying with a good friend.
It's square. It's supposed to be square, this thing.
we're just enjoying the last few days at home before the big move. Oh, big centipede.
Buffy, he'll bite you.
I'm walking around barefoot too. I was just thinking about, I hope I don't see any centipedes. There's a million other ones.
Oh, that's... Grab this big son, grab this lily little ass.
Wow, it has been a crazy week. Packed up the rest of our gear and left our beautiful blue water home forever. And spent a few days here in Lucinda. We caught up with my mum and Freddie, who lives around the corner. Caught up some friends and we went and saw Was Alive at the pub. And generally really enjoy life here in Lucinda. Now something weird has happened. We're supposed to be flying out to go and look at this boat in Fiji in a few days, and I think we've changed our mind. We're really enjoying our life so much here in Lucinda that we're starting to remember why we bought this property in the first place. So we've got a couple little ideas up our sleeve. One being the old fish and chip shop across the road has gone into receivership due to sad circumstances, and our property is capable of being commercial, so we might look into maybe filling that gap there or doing something at least, and basically get a boat. And we've got the islands, the reef, the Hinchinbrook region here. It'd be crazy to go and spend all our money on a boat over in Fiji. Actually, what's happened now, the boat that we looked at, the Morgan, is right past the top of our budget that we can really afford, and now there's a bit of a trade war between China and US, so the Aussie dollars dropped. So when you're looking at over 100,000 US dollars on a boat, 2 or 3 cent drop in the dollar means something like over $5,000 difference that would come out of our pocket. So yeah, I think we've changed our mind, and what we want to do now is live here in Lucinda. So we can't. We've got, for the next 4 months, we've got guests staying in our property because our house is holiday rented, and some of them have booked from a year ago. I just can't go ahead and cancel everybody's holidays on them. I think that's really poor integrity. So we're going to go and look for a caravan and do a little bit of traveling around North Queensland for 4 months. I mean, like, that should be fun, right? And then come back towards the end of the year and buy ourselves a boat and get back into life, but here in Lucinda. So yeah, sorry, the whole sailboat thing was fun, but we've just remembered that this is fun too, and we've already got it. It's kind of like living the dream, right? You happy, Pepsi, or you're uncomfortable?
Yeah, I'll throw this to you. Ready?
Yep.
You're a terrible dog.
This is the first day.
Attention, Homer Simpson. You have 10 seconds to explain your actions before we open fire. It's my first day.
I'll carry you. Alright, I'll pick you up.
No, he's been all sooky about it.
Alright, I think I've had enough now.
Yeah.
Alright, let's keep moving.
Come on, Peps. Peps. Come on. Come on.
Come on. Don't be naughty. Oh.
I'm hoping what I said could
after a week of sneaking our cats in and out of motel rooms and just about going crazy looking for a van, we found the perfect one. So next time, join us as we take our caravan on an adventure up the Queensland coast.